Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're here to separate fact from fiction and debunk some of the most widespread tech myths. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to witness the unveiling of the truth. Myth 1. Leaving your smartphone charging overnight will damage the battery. False. Modern smartphones are equipped with advanced charging circuits that automatically stop charging when the battery reaches its maximum capacity. So, don't worry about leaving your phone plugged in overnight. Myth 2. Incognito mode makes you completely anonymous online. Well, not quite. Incognito mode only prevents your browsing history from being stored on your device. But your online activity can still be tracked by your internet service provider and websites you visit. So, stay cautious. Myth 3. macOS don't get viruses. False again. While macOS may be less prone to malware compared to Windows, they are not immune. Always use a reliable antivirus application to protect your Mac and keep it up to date. Myth 4. More bars on your phone means better call quality. Actually, that's not always the case. Signal strength can be influenced by various factors, such as interference and network congestion. So, even with full bars, your call quality might not be as reliable as you'd hope. Myth 5. Force quitting apps on your smartphone makes it run faster. Nope. Force quitting apps can actually have the opposite effect. Modern smartphones are designed to efficiently manage background processes. So, unless an app is unresponsive, let your phone do its job and manage those applications for you. Myth 6. Overcharging your laptop will make the battery wear out faster. Thankfully, that's another myth. Most laptops are now equipped with smart charging systems that prevent overcharging. So, feel free to keep your laptop connected to the charger even when the battery is fully charged. Myth 7. Putting your wet phone in rice will magically fix it. Sorry to break it to you, but that's not true. While rice might absorb some moisture, it won't solve all the internal damage caused by water. Instead, turn off your device immediately and take it to a professional for proper repair. And there you have it. We've exposed the truth behind these common tech myths. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and debunked myths. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.